Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my first video in the new, this isn't gonna work. Hang on. Give me a second. Yeah, that's a little better. Let's try that for now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my first video in the new setup. I hope you guys like it. There will be more. But for now, this is what we're working with. So let me know. Upgrade? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, like I said, there will be more going on here. Right now, we just have this section, but I'm also going to set some stuff up over there. I'm not going to show you over there just yet, but that's where all the real work happens, the answering questions, the video editing, the scotch drinking, stuff like that. So I'm going to be setting some more stuff up in that kind of area after, and we'll meander over there in a subsequent video, probably months down the road. But for now, I'm going to start by unboxing something that I intend to use over there when the time comes. I think it's going to look cool as part of the addition, and it's going to be functional. It is a speaker, more specifically a really small electrostatic speaker. I don't think I've ever heard of or seen an electrostatic speaker this small before. This is the TreVolo S by BenQ. These guys sent this to me for free to demo for you, on the understanding that if you're watching my channel, chances are you like music. Now, maybe you don't. Maybe you're just into painting. If that's the case and you don't like music, well, here's the new studio. Stay tuned for the next painting video, which will be coming out very soon. But if you are into music, we're going to get this guy unboxed and test it out. Like seriously, when people come over and they want to listen to music because we're having a party or something, we have to use... These are the last speakers that I got. The old iHome. These things are from like over a decade ago. They're not Bluetooth. You just plug them right into your phone. You leave your phone sitting on my counter, and you hope nobody messes with it during the party. So if you're one of my friends and you're watching this for some odd reason, upgrades. Okay, note to self. New studio is not set up for unboxing videos. I should really stop waving this blade around like a lunatic. I mean, I'm sitting on a chair, and I don't have a table to do this on, so here we go. Try not to drop anything. Cardboard. A carrying case. Okay, so clearly it's designed to be portable because we have a pouch. Let's get to the fun part, shall we? Oh, notwithstanding the chargers and whatnot. Here's how big it is. So it's portable, but it's not tiny. It doesn't take up a lot of space on your counter though, I assume. So hopefully, ooh, it's not tiny, but it is pretty. Ooh. I mean, even if it doesn't sound good, I like it already. So the next thing to do, of course, is a sound test on this. I'm going to use some of my standard royalty-free music to do that. I'm told that electrostatic speakers aren't very bassy. They're better for the more treble focused sounds like jazz music and stuff like that. I'm going to get this guy charged up and we're going to give that a shot, and I'm going to give you a closer look at this thing because it does look nice. Before I do any of that, before I test it out and know how it sounds and all of that, part of the deal for me getting this for free was, of course, that I provide you with a link if you want to purchase it. So there is a link in the description. That was the idea, for me to get this guy for free, because frankly, I probably wouldn't have bought it just to show it to you. So down there if you want it, but let's hear how it sounds before you go ahead and make any kind of purchase, of course. Let me get this charged up. I'll show it to you a little bit closer here, and we'll see what it sounds like. Let's go. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here. I've got my microphone. I'll kind of move it around. I don't know how good a sound test this is really going to be, but I'll give you my thoughts after, because I've listened to speakers before and I can probably tell you a couple of things about how this sounds to me. But anyway, I'll move the microphone around it a little bit so we get a hint of what the sound is like from every direction. So let's just start up with some music here. Seems to do pretty well with decent volumes. Not bad when it's closed either. Interesting. It's like 1 in the morning right now. My neighbors are gonna kill me. Let's try something else though. Well, guys, color me impressed. Honestly, it's always a relief when the thing that you're demoing on your YouTube channel doesn't suck. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. Yeah, they're really nice. Now, granted, these are not an inexpensive items, so I'm glad to see that they're good, because that would be pretty ridiculous if you were paying that amount of money for them and when they weren't. But yeah, that's the smallest electrostatic speaker that I'm familiar with, and great clarity, especially in the higher stuff. The bass actually performed better than I thought it would for something so small. I think depending on where in a room you situate it, if it's not like floating out on a stool in the middle of the room like this, it'd probably do even better. I know sometimes putting these things in a corner or something like that can help kind of the performance from a bass standpoint, so I'm going to have to give that a try. But in any event, I thought it was pretty good. So if you are interested in one of these, you know where to find the link. It'll be down there, and I've reorganized stuff a little bit, so check the link. It'll be in this standard, like, my favorite stuff, and I might have a tech list at that point too. I think maybe there for now. It's kind of like one of those dinosaurs, you know? So guys, as always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you liked the new space. I'm pretty excited about it. I'll be making some modifications, but so far, pretty happy with how it's looking. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.